Sohan Chauhan and welcome to my channel. Um, so this is the look I created today. It's a burnt orange and rosy kind of a look. So if you know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with the moisturizer, and the moisturizer is from Pond's. It's their Super Light Gel Moisturizer. For the primer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime. It's the mattifying primer. Now for the foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade 02. Now to blend my foundation, I'm using this Blue Heaven Beauty Sponge. Now for the concealer, I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. And to blend my concealer, I'm using this Nykaa concealer brush. Now to brighten my under, I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade light. Now to set my face, I'm using the Fit Me compact powder in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and the brush is from Amazon. It's a nameless brush. So, now to set my under, I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix translucent powder, and I'm using the same Blue Heaven sponge. Okay, now let's move on to the eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this brush. It's from Faces Canada, and I'm gonna use it spoolie first to comb my brow hair. And now for my eyebrows, I'm using this Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the darkest shade, the brown one here, and I'm just gonna fill my sparks area. I'm using the same brush, the angular side of it. Okay, now to set my eyebrows, I'm using this Benefit 24 hours brow setter. It's a transparent brow gel. Okay, Okay, now for the eyes, I'm gonna do a orange pink kind of a eye, like a summer kind of a eye. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's from Wet n Wild. It's Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this shade, the orange one, the burnt orange one, and I'm using this brush from Savannah Colors, and I'm gonna use its blending side, and I'm just gonna put it on my crease. Okay, so our eye makeup is going to be all a voiceover, so yeah. Okay, now I'm taking that orange shade and I'm blending it in my crease, and I'm just taking it a little bit outward so it make a illusion of an wing. And yeah, I'm deepening up the crease, and I'm just now taking the same orange burnt shade on my lower lash line also, to connect the upper and the lower line. Now I'm taking this pink shade on the same Savannah brush, the flat side of the brush, and I'm just okay. I guess I have lost one clip in this video. Okay, so I have put it on my lid, and I'm just deepening that color, the pink, and now I'm just putting it on my lower lash line also, very close to my lash line actually, and I'm just winging it outwards. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm taking this crease brush and taking the same orange shade and just deepening up and softening the pink color. Yeah, and I'm just deepening the outer corner and just cleaning and blending everything out with the orange shade. Okay, now I'm taking this brown shade on my eyeliner brush, and I'm taking the angular side of it, and I'm just creating a small wing liner very close to my lash line, and just connecting both upper and lower lash line together with the wing. And yeah, I'm just smudging it and making it a little bit and making everything a little bit smoky. So yeah. Now I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown, and I'm just tightening my lower lash line. And yes. Okay, now I'm gonna use this Miniso Q-tip, and the micellar water is from Garnier, and I'm gonna clean the edge. I'm gonna sharpen the edge. Okay, now I'm gonna take this my NYX Born to Glow highlighter palette, and I'm taking this Zoeva spot liner brush, and I'm using this white shade to highlight my inner corner. Okay, so this eye is complete. I'm gonna do my other eye off the camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so our eyes are almost complete. To curl my lashes, I'm using this lash curler from Shein, and the mascara I'm gonna use is the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Now for the bronzer, I'm using this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It's in the shade Sunkissed, and the brush is from Zoeva. It's the Face Curve brush. Okay, now for the blush I'm using this LA Colors Red Rouge blush in the shade As If, and the brushes and the blush brush is from Nykaa. It's the blush brush. This is how it looks, and this is the color. Okay, now for the highlight I'm using this NYX Born to Glow palette, and I'm gonna use this brush, which is from Amazon. It's again nameless brush, and I'm gonna mix these two shades together. Yeah, gold one and the rose gold one. Okay, now for the lipstick I'm using this Nykaa. I don't know what this range is called, but it's in the shade 11 Jane. Okay, now to set my whole face I'm using this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and look at this. Okay, so our makeup is done. I really like this look. See you next time. Bye.